unpopular opinion, but you shouldn't actually be showering every single day. And I know people right now are gonna be like, wait, whoa, you don't shower every single day? No, I actually do not, and I'm gonna tell you why. It is because why, as an entrepreneur, I work from home, I don't really go out and sweat much, I don't really leave the house much. Why do I have to shower every single day? Why do I have to take that 30 minutes out of my day to go spray water on myself and feel clean? And most people do it because it's a habit that was built from birth. Your parents always told you to shower every night, you showered, then went to bed, right? And we're getting this completely skewed because when you actually shower and you're not using the right shampoo and conditioner, you're actually just eroding the oils off your skin. That's why a lot of people who are older get very wrinkly skin, because you've been showering every single day. Some people shower twice a day. It is completely overrated. Okay, you're going to have way more just comfortability in your body when you know that you're not dirty every single day, and you have to like have this second guess of you maybe leaving the house to go to a restaurant and being like, hey, did I shower today? Like, when you're focusing on stupid little shit like that, that's why you're not getting the results that you want. That's why you're not moving the needle in your business or life. You're focusing on the small things that no one is even noticing in you. No one in public is going up to you and just going, like, no one does that, but you think they do.